Welcome everyone to another one of our tutorials, and today this video is part of the Basics of series.
Subscribe now.
Today we're discussing the basics of how to read a blockchain explorer. Why is this a very important skill to have? Well, in the blockchain, you don't have other people or other bodies or institutions that can verify transactions for you. You need to verify yourself. In fact, one of the slogans of Bitcoin is "Don't trust, verify." Well, how can you do that if you don't know how to read the Explorer? So this is what we're going to see today, what we're going to learn how to do today. We're going to talk about Ethereum, but the things that we're discussing are applicable to the Binance Smart Chain as well, AVAX, Polygon Matic, just to mention a few. So let's open etherscan.io, and this is the page, obviously, that we see when we type that and we get to the landing page. This is the Explorer for the Ethereum blockchain. So let's pretend that somebody sent you $1,000 worth of Ethereum or to a new wallet, maybe not yours, and they say, hey, this is the wallet I send the funds to, and you want to know, okay, is that actually true? Has this taken place or not? So you can simply copy and paste that wallet address here in this search bar and then click on search. And a new page will open up showing everything that has taken place within that wallet address. You can do the same thing for a transaction hash. So for example, in this case, let's say in this block here, there's been 77 transactions. So let's just click on that, for example, and let's just copy and paste. So let's just do this here. Let me copy and paste this one here. Let's go back to Etherscan. So let's say I've got one transaction. I want to click on it and I can see all that has happened with that particular transaction. So in this case, for example, I can see that the transaction was successful, which block the transaction took place on, how long ago, and then this is the bits that are probably of interest to you, which address sent to which address. So this is the sender, this is the receiver. How much was sent? So in this case, 0.0429 Ethereum, at the moment worth $67.54. And then you can also see things such as the transaction fee that got paid to the people that validated the transaction, and the gas fee that this person, the sender, had to pay to send the funds to this wallet. And of course, you can also click here to see more, gas limit and usage, gas fee, how much was burnt. But back to us, that was just a transaction detail, for example. Let's have a look at a wallet. So let's see this one here, that received the funds. Okay, this is actually very good because we can see that this wallet doesn't hold Ethereum only, but other tokens as well. So let's have a look here. That's the balance, everything that is in this wallet. So there is $330 worth of Ethereum, but then we also have 7 different tokens. So let's click here, and now we can see all the other tokens that this particular wallet holds. But yeah, so you can see all the stuff that has happened here for this particular wallet, all the transactions, all the funds and tokens coming in, all the funds and tokens coming out. So as you can see, it's very simple. Once you know what to look for, what the lines mean, it's very simple to verify for yourself. And it's incredibly important that you learn to do that. Is there anything else that we have not discussed that you want me to cover next time? Please let me know in the comments below, and please, it only takes you a few seconds, but it's so important for me to be able to continue to provide this material to you. Please like the video, subscribe, tell any one of your friends that is interested in crypto, wants to learn about crypto, to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you at the next video. Bye now.